3 costly mistakes to avoid before hiring solar panel installers. You've been thinking about having solar panels installed, and you're just about ready to get started. But there are 3 huge mistakes you can avoid. Mistake 1. Not checking for local rebates and incentives. There are many local, state, and federal rebates and incentives available for homeowners who install solar panels. However, many homeowners make the mistake of not doing their research and finding out what is available to them. This can end up costing them hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Mistake 2. Not comparing solar installers. When you're shopping for solar panels and solar panel installation companies, it's important to compare different installers to find the best fit for your needs. Taking the time to compare solar installers before making a decision can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Make sure they are licensed. Make sure they are insured. Get multiple quotes. Ask tough questions and see how they respond. Mistake 3. Not checking the roof. One of the most important things to consider is the condition of your roof. Solar panels need to be installed on a sturdy, level surface in order to work properly. If your roof is in disrepair, it's likely that solar panels will not be a good option for you. Be sure to have your roof inspected by a professional before moving forward with solar panel installation. Now you know, but it's time to learn other costly mistakes your fellow homeowners made, but you can avoid. Visit our website now.